In this video, you'll learn how to buy BNB on Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully make your purchase and manage your cryptocurrency effectively. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section located at the top of the page. In this section, you can deposit either fiat currency or cryptocurrency into your spot wallet. After you make a deposit, confirm that your balance appears in the wallet before proceeding to trading. It is important to ensure that you have sufficient funds for the purchase you intend to make. Next, move to the trade option from the main menu and select the spot trading interface. In this trading section, you will need to search for the BNB trading pair, which can be BND/. After entering the trading pair in the search bar, select the correct pair from the results that appear. Take a moment to review the price chart and the order book displayed on the screen, as this information will help you make an informed decision. Determine the order type you wish to use before proceeding with your purchase. After selecting the trading pair, you will now place your buy order. Enter the amount of BNB you wish to purchase in the designated input field. As you do this, the total cost will be displayed on the screen, allowing you to confirm that you're comfortable with the amount you are spending. Once you have reviewed the details and are satisfied, click the Buy BNB button to submit your order. It is essential to wait until the order is completed, which may take a few moments depending on market conditions. After your order has been successfully processed, check your wallet for the updated balance. This confirmation will indicate that your BNB purchase has been completed. If you do not see the balance change immediately, give it a moment, as it may take some time for the transaction to reflect in your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.